Today we got a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is Intoxicated 18-year-old Immediately Regrets Running from Police.
Yep, you match the description of who everybody called in.
For what?
For being loud and drunk.
I saw you.
Yeah.
I shit my pants and I ran.
Oh.
On October 19th, 2024, officers with the Ankeny Police Department responded to an apartment complex after multiple calls came in about a college-age man screaming in the parking lot, visually drunk, stumbling around.
Police, stop. 6'11", I'm chasing him. Stop
I
now.
had to get you together.
6'11", we're heading towards the Whiskey River. You will get tased. Stop. Get on the ground.
Hey, I must say, this cop is in good shape, man. Older guy going up against an 18-year-old, you know. I don't know how much older he is, but he's older than 18, you know what I'm saying? So keeping up with a young buck like that, good job.
Now.
I'm sorry.
Get on the ground.
I'm sorry.
Hands behind your back.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Get your goofy ass on the ground, man.
6'11", I have him in custody.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to get my friend. I was just on my trip. I just want to get my friend. I just want to get my friend.
Where are your friends at?
I don't know.
Okay.
The kid was calling me. Tell me where they're at.
Okay.
But I don't know where they're at.
What'd you run for?
Because I don't want to get arrested, sir.
Why would you get arrested?
I don't know. You told me to stop.
I did tell you to stop.
And I didn't know. I've never had an encounter like this, sir. I don't know. You give me your IP. I had beers on, but I mean,
All right, I'm gonna roll you over.
I'm sorry, sir.
I'm gonna roll you over.
This one? I'm sorry, sir.
Sit up.
I'm sorry.
Sit up.
Oh, fuck, that hurts. Oh, that hurts.
Stay with him.
Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts.
Stay with him.
Yep, you got it.
Yeah, Sarge. See, Sarge been in the gym, man. But gym working out, you know, lifting weights is different than, you know, you gotta have your calisthenics up. My guy is bulky though. Yeah.
Oh, that hurts.
Stay with him.
Yep, you got it.
Ready?
Okay.
I'm sorry, Phyllis.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, I'm sorry, Phyllis.
Anything on you?
No, sir. Just my credit card in that pocket, yes, sir. Just my credit card in there. Debit card. Oh, keys too.
That's your keys.
Wait, what? I must have left it in my apartment. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, officers.
You're okay.
I said calisthenics up. I mean your stamina. God damn. I'm just sitting here thinking about the dumb shit that I just said just now, man. You know what I mean? But let's go.
I'm sorry. Please don't
Let's
take
walk.
Please. Oh. I didn't know why he was stopping me.
Well, guess what? You don't run from the police, and now you're going to jail.
What's the reasoning for this?
Probably get socks and probably class.
Yep.
You want to take a PBT?
What's a PBT?
Preliminary breath test.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay.
Throw me back in here and I'll spend the night in jail.
Have a seat.
Okay.
In here.
I'm
Yep,
sorry,
have a seat.
I'm sorry.
You're all right.
I'm sorry, officers. I don't mean to be. Anyway, I can get these loosened up on my right. Just my right. Just not my left.
Just your right.
Just my right. It hurts like hell.
Lean forward.
Lean forward.
Oh, sorry.
Turn towards it. There you go.
Yep, just
I
my
can
right.
fit
Yep, just that one.
this one.
Yep,
This
other
is a
one's
little
good.
bit tight.
Other one's good. That one hurts
Yeah,
like hell.
here.
Please.
You're gonna get it, or you want to hold that and I'll do it? Well,
God
okay.
f***ing damn it.
Hang tight. We'll fix it.
Yeah, I know,
loosen
but I
these,
just
or
got f***ing arrested. My parents are gonna f***ing kill me.
Hang tight, bud.
I'm gonna f***ing die.
No, you're not.
God damn it.
You're not gonna die. If I loosen this, are you gonna stay calm?
No, I'm fine. I
Okay.
ain't running. You guys got me. You guys got me fair and square.
Okay.
I f***ing slipped. I f***ing slipped.
You did something.
Yeah, I ran from you.
slipped.
I'll be honest with you, officer. I ran from
Hang
you.
tight. I'm gonna try and just loosen this.
I thought I was gonna get away until I f***ing slipped. I slipped and I went off me and f***ing gave up. Oh, God damn it, guys. I'm so
There you go.
sorry.
Hey, no.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. I get my whole thumb in there, okay?
You're good.
That better?
That's all you.
You're good. All right, sit back, relax. Oh, not need to double lock it. Sorry.
You're good. I'm all good here.
Okay, good. Sorry, it's kind of an awkward angle, so
Oh,
just
sorry.
making sure you're good. All right. That should be much better fitted, okay? Just relax.
What's your name?
What's your location? 1335 Southwest Merchant. Copy, 1339 Southwest Merchant.
What's your name? Bodie Hatfield.
Hatfield? B-O-D-E Hatfield.
Yes, sir. Can we get my phone off the pavement?
I got it.
Thank you so much.
Hey,
Can I get a picture of you from my mother?
you want a picture of you?
I do.
There'll be a picture taken of it. Don't worry.
No, I want one in the back of the cop car. I don't want my mom to see a mugshot.
Bodie, B-O-D-E.
Yes, sir.
Hatfield, spell that.
It's a compound word, sir. Hatfield.
There's a
Compound
Did you
word.
just come up this way?
What's your birthday, Bodie?
18 years old, sir.
Okay.
Can I get that?
What's the phone number for you?
Okay.
Mark, go ahead.
He was in the
Can I get that photo?
What's the phone number for you?
Can I get the other one, please?
I know, I was just gonna say, if we had been a little more patient and lingered,
never went through
or they
before.
saw us and thought they were in the clear.
All right.
Who are those? Are those his?
That was his face. Now you're out here doing this? Hey, guess what? Guess what? Can I explain myself to you, sir?
Oh, you're in
I'll have
custody
to
right now.
bring my car around to do this
Everything
transport.
that gets used to get, yes, sir. You never read me my Mirandas.
I'll go get my car
That's
because
Fifth
he
Amendment
can't
right there, sir.
take him, okay?
Take that up with attorney.
Let me explain.
Hi, check out.
So-
Talk to him.
I'll bring my car around.
What do you need, buddy?
Can I just explain myself to you?
You can. So, like the other sergeant was explaining?
Were you the one that chased me down?
I was, yes.
So, I'm going over to my buddy's house. Or not my buddies, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't know these guys. You guys came to get some party where we're at. We came over here. We came back. These three dudes said, "Hey, come up here with us." And so I said to him, this doesn't make any justification towards me. But I said to him, all right, guys, I'm gonna go back to my house and grab more beer. And I did just that. And then he called me. He's like, "Hey, cops are coming." And guess what I still did? I still fucking came over. And then immediately I see you. You were the first one I was the first one you saw. Am I wrong?
Yep, you match the description of who everybody called in.
For what?
For being loud and drunk.
I mean that could be a lot of people, but
They said blue jacket and khaki pants.
Now,
Shoot.
we've told you, but you've been placed under arrest for public intox. You want to take a CBT now?
no. I already said no. I was
Okay,
just trying to
sorry.
explain myself to
You're
this
good,
man.
bud. You keep explaining.
Yeah, but I was just coming back and I just saw him. I saw you.
Yeah.
I shit my pants and I f***ing ran.
Oh.
Like, I understand that doesn't hold in court a lot, but that's just what happened. And I just want that to be said towards... Is there a body cam recording, sir?
It is.
Yes, sir. Towards the jury lot, I ran from the cop. I'm admitting guilt here.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That's...
Well, do you have any questions for us?
No, I don't have anything on me. You got my Coors? You got my phone?
Yep, it's in your hat.
Do you by chance have my credit card?
Ooh, where is that at?
I think it's still in his front pocket.
Check either of my pockets, sir.
I checked
Feels like it's right there.
I didn't feel it.
Come on, you gotta drop charges on this guy. Like, honestly, like this guy, he's 18, young, dumb. He's like, you got me. I thought I had you, but I slipped. This kid you gotta drop charges on this kid. It's just or whatever. Give him something real light. This guy, he's a charmer, man. He's a charmer. But yeah, just young and dumb. This is all that. that's all this comes down to. You know what I mean? Like, it's just whatever. Kids being kids, you know, kids younger, you know, around his age, you know, they going up in the woods, going to the bonfires, drinking and doing that. Like, come on. It's just this guy. Now, you can't run from the cops, you know what I mean? But I honestly, I just like the guy. You know what I'm saying? I get it, you know. But you know, fair is fair. Got it. You know, he did run from the cops. But looking back on it, this is, hopefully he don't make no mistake like this ever again. But he's just young and dumb. That's it.
You can reach in there if you'd like, but
I checked his front pockets while there.
I didn't think I took it out when I went back to my house, but I mean,
I picked up everything you dropped, which was
at
just
this point,
two cans
sir,
of beer.
I'm just gonna get a new card.
Okay.
I'm just gonna
It's
get
probably at your house. I didn't see anything else come out.
Can I ask you what's gonna happen to me now?
Yep, you're going to jail.
I'm gonna get, what's gonna happen post jail?
They'll give you a court date, and you show up, and they'll explain everything to
I
you.
have to go to court,
Yeah.
even if I plead guilty.
Your first appearance, that'll be your choice. But you
So I have to appear for one time?
Yep, at least once. Yep.
Okay. I'm sorry I ran from you, officer. That's all the questions I have tonight.
Okay. Well, I appreciate your cooperation once you did,
Yes, sir.
once you did slow down.
If you're gonna, well, I only slowed down because my feet didn't let me.
I know.
But, I mean, you caught me, so.
Yep.
All right. I don't have any other questions.
Okay.
I appreciate you being cooperative with me, and
Okay.
I guess I'm just gonna see what happens next.
Yep. You're just sober up in jail tonight. You'll probably see a judge in the morning, and then they'll boot you loose, okay?
Thank you.
All right. We'll see you.
Bye.
In public.
I mean, that could be a lot of people.
They said blue jacket and khaki pants.
Now, so we've told you you've been placed under arrest for public intox. You want to take a PBT now?
No.
Oh,
I
sorry.
already said no. I already said. I already
Okay,
tried to
sorry.
explain myself.
You're good, bud. You keep explaining if you want.
But I was just coming back.
I'm sorry. You sure?
That's all you
Okay.
Yeah.
632. Here's your location.
They're just throwing shit at the end to make it to stretch the body cam footage. But do they say
Intoxication
anything?
and interference with a
Oh wait. So they do say something.
is booked and charged with public's intoxication and interference with official acts. If you enjoy the content we produce,
Yeah. So yeah, they were just saying stuff at the end to make it stretch, or replaying the footage to make it stretch, make it a little bit of a longer video. But anyways, yeah, you know, it's just I like the kid. I ain't gonna lie. He reminds me of so much, like, we used to do stupid shit like that. Not run from the cops, but it's just he's 18. He's 18. It is what it is. But anyway, yeah, that's my take on it. You may not like it. Okay, it's okay. We can agree to disagree. It's all right. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.